If you are a first-time mom who feel exhausted, especially during night feeding, then this video is for you. This breastfeeding position must change everything for you, especially during night feeds. In this video, I will show you step-by-step process on how to do sideline breastfeeding position safely. Many moms are struggling with breastfeeding, especially at night, because they are tired, uncomfortable, and sometimes unsure on which breastfeeding position is safe for night feeding, and this can make breastfeeding more stressful instead of restful. Hi mama, I'm Falmata, a pediatric nurse and a breastfeeding coach. I help first-time mothers to breastfeed with confidence. In this video, I will show you what sideline breastfeeding position is, when to use it, step-by-step process on how to do it safely, and common mistakes to avoid. To demonstrate this, I need my baby, my breast pillow, me, and my cord. First of all, you need to lie down in a straight line. Then lie your baby in opposite direction with you in a straight line and support your baby's neck and back like this. So after supporting your baby's head and neck, then with the other hand, you will put your 4 fingers below and 1 finger above and to support your breast. Then bring baby close to the breast and then ensure that your nipple is in opposite direction with your baby's nose. Then rub the nipple on your baby's nose, on your baby's lip, so that she can widely open her mouth like oh. After she opens like oh, after opening her mouth, then put the breast inside your baby's mouth. And tada, this is how to do sideline breastfeeding position. As you can see, we are lying like this. Yes, as you can see, she is like that. My tummy and my baby's tummy is touching and everything. This is how to do sideline breastfeeding position. Always ensure that your baby's head and neck is well supported. You know you are doing it correctly if your baby is facing, you and your baby is facing each other, your baby is close to you, there is no gap between you and baby, your feeding feel relaxed and comfortable, and feeding is very smooth. Common mistakes to avoid is avoid placing your baby too far, poor head and neck support, and also twisting your baby's body during breastfeeding. This breastfeeding position is for night feeding, a mom who needs rest, and mom who is recovering from a delivery. Mama, it's okay to rest. You don't have to sit up for every feeding session. This breastfeeding position allows you to relax while breastfeeding your baby, and this is suitable for first-time mothers who undergoes episiotomy, because it will really hurt you, because in episiotomy, when you sit down, your bum is paining you, but if you use this breastfeeding position, there is no pain. You learn 1 or 2 things in this video. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and share it with other mamas.